The Summer Media Institute is a 6-day, 5-night experience for high school students from all across the country to come and learn about what it takes to be in the field of journalism and communications. We are running it as a college preparatory program. I like to tell them from first day, it's not a camp, we're doing work here, so it's a workshop, or matter of fact, it's a conference. So they appreciate that. They don't want to be treated like little kids. They want to come here and work and learn.
My main motivation is for you to go back home, tell your mommy, your daddy, whoever loves you, whoever you love, I learned something. Look what I can do now.
We have 19 electives over 4 days. I like to think of the mornings as critical thinking, where they learn about opinion writing, they learn about how to be a star, journalism with the heart, research.
What really surprised me this week was the color correction class, because I didn't think that you can get so in depth. There's actually so much more than I ever thought.
We've had some great speakers. Eric Deggans talked about race and culture and how the media frames it. We've had Frank Lamont talk about student press freedoms. A gentleman from the Poynter Institute come and talk about fact-checking. The favorite was we had 4 significant women coming to talk about leadership.
The leadership panel really gave me a new perspective. I'm ready to take it back and help grow my school's publications.
No matter kind of what you want to focus on, there's a specialization or an elective for that.
We have sports reporting, we have on-air performance, we have broadcast news reporting, we have writing, all of these skills that the students can just learn and take home with them beyond journalism. I'm so nervous.
In addition to the skills, I love when I see their confidence improve, because that's an aspect of them that they can take with them to whatever they do. Some students came in with no experience. Many of them said, I've never read from a teleprompter before in my life. They did incredibly well. So it was a lot of fun to see, to watch them understand how much natural ability they have that they didn't even realize they had.
It really has been inspiring to see students who are so interested in getting better apply those skills and really make a lot of progress in a short amount of time. I have taken what I normally do in, say, 8 weeks in my college level class and attempted to do that with students here in just 1 week. We learn how to write, we learn how to shoot and edit, and then combine all of those skills to create a broadcast news package. These packages mirror exactly what you would see on local television news or even national news.
It's really just about hands-on experience and giving these students an opportunity to really see what it's like. So the first day I had them head out, get used to the camera, shoot a couple stand-ups. They're putting together a Florida-Tennessee football recap. Same thing, kind of look at the storylines, box scores, something that you would do if you worked at SportsCenter or a local affiliate. So they're having a lot of fun doing that.
We're going to provide you with an experience and the opportunity to produce the best possible work you can do, and every one of the kids is eager for that opportunity.